Machines have reduced human effort, time, and skill required to perform a specific task or function. Similarly, in the food industry, many types of machinery are being developed to simplify and perform the functions with accuracy and precision. Many such machines are being used by industrialists for their everyday production activities. We welcome you to a fresh new episode of Advanced Tech HD. In today's lineup, we have brought the top 10 food industry machines that are at another level. Give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comment section below. It will trigger the algorithm and help us to reach more and more technology lovers like you. Before moving further, we would like to tell you that we bring the latest and innovative technologies in every episode of Advanced Tech HD. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel to support us, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest video notifications. And if you are on Facebook, then like and follow us to boost our morale up. Stay tuned. Number 1, Noodle Machines. Advanced noodle machines are used in the noodle production industry. Machines at first press the dough into a noodle sheet, after which noodles are made, which are then curled and dried to achieve the desired outcome. These are then packed to transport and distribute to various retail outlets in the market. These type of machines are most appropriate for small-scale noodle production companies. These machines can produce 10,000 packets in 8 hours. Noodle machines are more convenient and utilize less energy as compared to high-end machines. In these machines, all kinds of working procedures starting from feeding flour to end product is done at once. Number 2, Automatic Spring Roll Machine. This automatic spring roll machine is designed to make stuffed rolls in less time and with a handmade taste. Machines are set in order to first prepare a sheet, which is then stuffed with the tasty food stuffings. Then the sheet is rolled between machines and packaged to distribute to various retail outlets. The first machine is set for baking, the second one is the filling section, followed by the last one, packaging. This kind of machine has a high production capacity and is specialized for automatic rolling of the spring roll. Thousands of spring rolls can be produced in an hour. It has the ability and capacity to work with a different range of fillings. Number 3, Pita Bread Machine. The pita bread machine is specifically designed to make flatbread ranging from different sizes. Machines are set in order to first make a flat dough by pressing and heating between 2 rollers, after which the pita bread is stuffed according to the individual's needs. Then it is passed through a conveyor belt to cool the bread after baking. The process of proofing the dough is done in conveyor chambers. There are some parameters such as temperature and pressing time which can be adjusted. It aims to produce a homemade taste pita bread which can last longer and is reliable. Number 4, Automatic Wafer Cone Machine. The automatic wafer cone machine is a reliable and convenient machine for making wafer cones designed to use for ice creams. This machine can be used to make wafer cones as well as wafer cups. The machine has high efficiency and is easy to operate. It can be turned into any desired mold. One wafer machine can make different kinds of ice cream mold wafer cones. It has greatly reduced the labor cost as everything is done in automatic machines. It has different baking ovens to efficiently design the desired kind of wafer into any required molds. Number 5, Continuous Pork Frying Machine. This amazing continuous pork frying machine is designed to fry the pork continuously without the aid of labor. The machines used are made of stainless steel and a double mesh belt is added to properly fry the pork at the required temperature. It is anti-corrosive and automatic operation is installed in it to efficiently fry the pork continuously along with other raw materials. These machines can be customized according to the need of customers. The machine can adjust according to the given material, and it is durable with customization settings for temperature. It is suitable for frying and making pork rinds. Number 6, Automatic Cake Icing Machine. This is a time-saving machine that can reduce a lot of time required for icing a cake. It is an ideal machine for entry-level operators. There is a built-in computer to adjust the requirements according to needs. Different kinds of icing textures are added from batch to batch. The top and side of the cake are iced in almost 1.3 seconds. It has a high production speed and is easily customizable. Different machines of suitable shapes and sizes are present which ice the cake according to the required measurements. The icing can be provided with any consistency to efficiently ice the cake. Not only icing, but it can also sheet the cake with fondant. Number 7. Automatic Biscuit Making Machine. The automatic biscuit making machine is less time consuming and makes perfect desired biscuits of required taste and quantity. It has a mechanism that takes in wheat flour as raw material through the dough mixer, which is then roasted at high temperature with the spraying of oil at the surface. It is also designed to get the required shape and size of biscuits, and it is easily customizable. It can produce high quality biscuits with high production and flavor with taste. In the first process, the desired dough is prepared, and then it is cut into the desired shape with the desired color and flavor. Number 8. Macaroni Making Machine. The amazing invention is useful in cases of making macaroni and has two different kinds of machines. One is automatic, which involves automatic customization of required shape and texture. It reduces the time consumed and less labor is required. The semi-automatic macaroni machine requires labor, but the customization is the same as of automatic. The sheets are prepared in the machine, which is then cut into different shapes and sizes of required needs and demands of production houses or customers. The machine used is made up of stainless steel and has high efficiency and high production rate. The temperature can be changed according to the desired type and texture. Number 9. Prawn Crackers Machine. This amazing machine greatly reduces the time required to make prawn crackers. It is designed to extrude, shape, cut, and then package the final product. The size of prawn crackers can be changed to the desired requirements. The raw materials are added in the first part, which is then mixed to get the required dough of required taste and flavor. After that, the desired shape and size are cut and are molded into the shape of crackers. It requires less time, and a large number of crackers can be produced in less amount of time. Number 10. Automatic Pizza Cone Machine. This automatic pizza cone machine is designed to make cones that are suitable for pizza. In the first process, a suitable dough is prepared according to the required flavor and taste with all raw materials added to it. The dough is then molded to the required shape and is inserted into the machine for further processing. The final shape of the dough is molded inside the machine at a suitable temperature, which can be changed accordingly. After that, the prepared cone is sent to further machines for packaging. So, this is the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and comment down below which one would you think is the best on the list. It will trigger the algorithm and help us to expand our reach to more and more technology lovers like you. You can also share this video with someone whom you think shall see this video. For now, we will sign off. We will come up with a new episode soon. And yeah, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to us and press that bell icon to get the notification of our next video. And if you are on Facebook, please like and follow us to show us your love. Take care.